Mark Julian with SHARP. I'm the National Account Manager here at SHARP. We develop, design, and manufacture a very wide range of different display technologies, from desktop to large format displays, the best laser projectors anywhere, and of course, DV LED solutions. Today I want to talk to you about the new PNE series. E used to stand for entry level, now it stands for excellent. It's a full line of commercial displays, but at an entry level price point. So with the PNE series, B2B customers don't have to break the bank to get superb image quality and a ton of versatile features. I'd say that it's a combination of quality and versatility that sets the PNE series apart from the competition. And the quality starts with a high haze anti-glare panel that reduces that glare that you see so often on other screens. And unlike other entry-level displays, you can run the PNE series in either landscape or portrait mode, which is super helpful. And then aesthetically, the PNE series sport a slim, super slim, even bezel design on all four sides, and that's metal, not plastic. So they're just really beautiful when you hang them on the wall. Are there any standout features on this PNE series? Yes. We all know USB-C has become a super popular connector on virtually all new laptops, tablets, smartphones. So SHARP added a USB-C input on the PNE series. So it gives you a quick and convenient plug-and-play experience. Honestly, the PNE series is so versatile, it fits in so many different applications. From classrooms to conference rooms, even retail signage. It's perfect for customers who don't need a 24/7 duty cycle, but they're looking for that perfect balance between quality and performance, but at a value price point. Really our bang for the buck, best bang for the buck display line out there. And compared to all the other entry-level competitors, it just has more versatility. And as I said, being able to run it portrait or landscape, having a high haze panel, it's just a higher quality display at that entry-level price point. And of course, the PNE series is available now at AVI-SPL. Thanks for watching.